In this video, I'll guide you through how to order a T-Mobile prepaid SIM card online. Whether you're looking to switch carriers or simply need a versatile prepaid option, ordering a SIM card online is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to visit the official T-Mobile website. Alternatively, you can head directly to the prepaid SIM card page if you have the link handy. Navigating to the correct section of the site is essential, as this will ensure you're viewing the most current plans and offers available. Once you've arrived at the right page, take a moment to browse through the available prepaid plans. T-Mobile offers a variety of options tailored to different needs, so whether you're a frequent data user or just need basic service, there's likely a plan that suits you. After you've reviewed the options, select the SIM starter kit that best fits your requirements. This kit will include everything you need to get your T-Mobile service up and running. With your selection made, it's time to proceed to checkout. Here, you'll need to enter your shipping and payment information. Double-check that your shipping details are correct to avoid any delays in receiving your SIM card. Payment is typically straightforward, with options to use a variety of methods such as credit or debit cards. Once your order is placed, you can relax knowing that your SIM card will be shipped directly to your address. Shipping times can vary, so be sure to check the estimated delivery date provided during checkout. If you prefer not to order directly from T-Mobile, you do have other options. Trusted online retailers like Amazon or Best Buy often stock T-Mobile prepaid SIM starter kits, so you can check their websites as well for availability. This can be a convenient alternative if you already have an account with one of these retailers or are looking to combine orders. After you've received your SIM card, the next step is activation. The package will include instructions on how to set up your service. Follow these carefully to ensure a smooth activation process. Typically, this involves inserting the SIM card into your phone and either visiting a website or calling a number to complete the activation. And that's how you order a T-Mobile prepaid SIM card online. It's a simple process that can be done from the comfort of your home, saving you a trip to a store. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to enjoy your new T-Mobile prepaid service.